This is gonna be really quick. Have you ever felt like you were in a rut, just didn't feel like doing anything, fell off on working out, just couldn't exercise like how you used to? I gotta tell you, it happens to the best of us. It happens to me. I basically just finished a workout that got me out of that rut. At least, it's just the beginning. But a little advice on overcoming these ruts as somebody who has experienced these ruts time and time again is start little, start small. Start off just, if you need to, just like I did. I just worked out at home. It just makes it so much easier for me because of time management, and my equipment's right here. So anything I need for a light, small workout just to get back on the horse, it's all here. I really do not need that much. So whatever you can do, start tiny, start small, just do that, okay? My second step is just to not get too caught up in reforming everything, your workout program. Just kind of pick up where you left off or start something new that isn't too, you just don't want to get too structural with these things, right? I did like some Olympic lifting because I've been wanting to do that for a while. I did some athletic stimulus kind of workouts, and I didn't overthink it. I just kind of went with what I've been seeing lately, what I've been wanting to do. I've been wanting to do some cleans. I've been wanting to do more core work, things like that. But yeah, basically just don't think about it too much. If you overthink it, it's just going to lead to you wasting more time structuring said workout that you could be using for your actual workout, So that's my second tip for that. For my third tip, I would just say give yourself credit. You don't give yourself enough credit where it's due. You're gonna end up feeling like you're failing yourself, and what you really need, especially after getting out of a rut, is some positive feedback, some stuff that makes you think, man, I'm actually doing pretty good, so I should keep going. Like I did a good job today. Like I feel pretty good about myself for today. I didn't go to the gym, I didn't do all this shit, but I did something. So give yourself credit. I think that's also important because it'll continue to build and you'll continue to feel more motivated and less likely to be stuck. And for number 4, this may sound kind of weird, but put on some kind of motivational content. Put on some workouts, put on somebody doing some exercises or something. I put on Elliot Host. I like Elliot Host. I like Strength Camp. I like Austin Jochum. He's very good as well. I've been watching a lot of his stuff recently. But just put on somebody that gets you moving, gets you going. Maybe put some hype music in the background, whatever it may be. But just seeing people lifting, pushing their limits, getting all aggressive, getting all crazy, that just kind of, it motivates me to want to work out too. It makes me feel like a piece of shit, especially when I'm just sitting on the bed, laying on the bed watching stuff like that, Okay, and I don't know if I've been numbering these, but for number 5, do not set a start date. Don't do it, because it's going to hinder you more. Just start ASAP. Start immediately. Of course, if you're injured, don't do it. If you're hurt, don't do it. If you're sick, don't. But don't say, okay, I'll start next week or I'll start the next week, because it's just going to keep being that way. You're going to keep on pushing it off to next week, pushing it off to next month, pushing it off the next day. Don't do that. Just start right now. Just get out of your bed, get on the floor, do some push-ups, do some crunches, do some squats, whatever. Just get started today. Don't wait another day. Let today be the day. That's it. Peace.